Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Keeping It Disney, where we talk about all kinds of Disney related content and trips. This is the 5th in the Christmas Disneyland Paris series. In this vlog you are going to see the kind of storybook rides, so the Pinocchio, the Peter Pan, all that kind of thing, the really cutesy rides. You will notice that the Pinocchio ride, we're going to get on it in one outfit and then we actually ride it in a different one. The reason for that is because when we were queuing up, as I've probably mentioned before, I am physically disabled and I have a disability pass that we get, which I will do another video explaining at some point. But yes, I've got a disability pass, and when we were queuing up to go onto the Pinocchio ride, because they have to allow an entire disabled party to ride before they let somebody else, and it was just 2 of us, there was a huge disabled party that was before us, so they said, oh, it's going to be about half an hour, 40 minutes. So we decided to go and do something else, and as it turned out, we waited until the following day to do it. So that's why there's a change in outfits. Having said all of that, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Disney content.
Just went to get onto Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs because Lucrezia and Liam have gone off to do other rides and it's too wet for us to wander around the park. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do all the storybook rides. Oh, it's a bit warmer in there. I remember. Well, there's got a big queue, isn't they? They can't try and get through. Oh my god. Cool, they're chucking us about.
Miroir magique sur le mur. Reste déguisé. Le tour est joué.
They look all blurry in the video just because they keep chucking us about. I know. For some reason stopped. They've chucked us about and now
I know.
poor Dobby's just Dobby, that's his name. Dopey.
Dopey.
It's one of our favourites, this one, isn't it, Lily? Oh, I'm sorry. Hopefully not, no. That would be so annoying.
I like this one. I like going over the city.
Yeah, that's my favourite bit too.
Very pretty.
Off we go!
Oh,
no, we're not. We have stopped flying. Oh look, the chimney's going. Did that happen last time?
What?
The chimney is going. Look. No, I don't.
It's like an old track.
Yeah.
That wasn't as quick.
No. Oh, blimey. Nearly threw me out. That was lovely, wasn't it, Lily? That was really nice.
Track though.
Well, yes.
And that jerking about.
And I did notice a little leak on the floor.
Yeah.
Do you want to go on the train? Or do you want to go on It's a Small World again?
We're doing Pinocchio, aren't we?
Yeah, we can do Pinocchio now.
Yeah, we've got to do Pinocchio.
Okay. Pinocchio 2.0. No, we didn't. Liam's got my mittens.
Why haven't you doing it?
Because they're in his bag. And I forgot to get them back off him. So, yeah, one hand's nice and toasty warm in my pocket. The other hand on my crutch is freezing. Well, that's it. Show off. I've got mittens. You haven't.
You've got fine, you can make fun of me.
Take note of these displays, Lily. That's what I want put in my garden. You can make some. There's some here too, look. That's really pretty. Bopa, take note. That's what I want. You can make that, can't you?
What?
One of them displays.
No one is making those displays in our garden.
Bopa is. She just said she would, didn't you, Bopa?
No, you said you can make one of those, can't you? And the answer is yes. I can.
Would you? In my garden?
Your Merida would love it.
I hope you've got this on film, Lily, that Bopa's just promised.
No, I haven't.
It's exciting, Lily. It's a Pinocchio ride, finally.
Hopefully it doesn't speed.
Yeah, which one sped? Yeah, was it Snow White? Nearly threw us out.
Yeah. It's worse with that one because there's so many like corners and turns, so you're just falling out, basically. Got your little
Jiminy Cricket on my shoulder. As Bopa says, a sound financial investment. I do like this ride. Oh, hey up.
Okay, we're not going to.
Hey up, Jiminy Cricket.
Pour moi, vous gagnez beaucoup d'argent.
This used to scare me.
Hey, Francie.
Vous allez prêter longtemps, mais il faut payer. Alors, les petits gars, on va quelque part?
Oh, he missed it.
There was the blue fairy there.
It suddenly seems to have speeded up a bit.
Yeah. Because you're meant to be able to see the blue
Did
fairy.
you enjoy that ride, Bopa?
Stand up now, then exit by stepping away from the vehicle.
You enjoyed the fifth in the series of our latest trip to Disneyland Paris and enjoyed looking at all the kind of cute storybook rides that they have there. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Disney related content and to see the next in the Disneyland Paris series. Bye!